It seems to be a humpback whale that has come into shallow water and has been here several hours now. It is not in any imminent distress as far as we can tell. It is mobile, it's responsive. There isn't any immediate evidence of it being injured in any way. And so at the moment this is still very much a wait and see situation. Let the animal find its own way out and try and keep people away from it so that it isn't distressed.
So with the whale coming into a bay with so many moorings and other bits of fisheries infrastructure around the place, we were quite concerned that it might be entangled and had brought itself inshore with some gear tangled around its fins or flippers or flukes. As the tide rose, it moved into slightly deeper water, and we were able to get a drone up and look at it through the water and check out its flippers and its fins. And there was no sign of any ropes or other items stopping it from moving away, and as the tide rose it moved out broader into the bay and moved out into the open sea. So we were glad to see it resolved itself as a situation. But no better way to teach students than to be able to see a whale at 10 metres away. It's fantastic.